Out there, Shan, come on. Yo boys, today is December the 1st and we are gonna fucking smash it. 25 days until Santa Claus is gonna come and tickle my bumhole, right? Fucking hell. Fucking. I'm ringing my own doorbell, bro. Fuck's sake. Bro. So overall, what we're looking at, price last week. So last week, we took Monday trade, 1 to 3. Tuesday was a 1 to fucking 2. Ended up taking a lot L on the first entry. Wednesday, took a L on both sides. See what happens. I didn't trade Thursday, I didn't trade Friday. Market has just opened. Boom. Market's just opened just like that still. Also, yo boys, I've literally just decided right now, right here, right now, I'm gonna, on my Instagram, I'm gonna mark out my support and resistance lines and I'm gonna put them in my breakout room on Instagram. Put it in my breakout room, which is this, for those that don't know. Alright, breakout room. If you want to join and follow me on Instagram, I post up all my fucking trades and shit on my stories and shit. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm gonna post this in there now. And I think I might just do this shit every day this week. So these are now gonna be in the group, as you can see, before session. So you can see my entries and shit. So fuck it, I'll do that this week. Follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description and shit. But cool, man. See what happens. What I would like to happen as well is, if you can see, we have all this to fill. So there is a potential for buys. It's just with news so close, it's like a little bit off-putting. As well as this fucking candle on the first 5 minutes has already done 60 points, which is already more than the usual take profit. Usually looking for 50 points on a take profit, right? So this is already a 1 to 2 trade. Sorry, a 1 to 2 candle essentially. So it's like, is it really gonna go and do another 1 to, like, do you know what I'm saying? But the range itself is pretty big. Like 91 point. We're gonna have to get in.
Order filled.
Right, I'm in, boys. It's just gonna straight reverse, isn't it? Yeah, shit. Let's see if it ended on Tradify. So it ended on Tradify as well. Oh, I mean, that's a good sign. That wick there. The thing about a trade, the thing that I hate most in trading is just when it sits there, you know, in that drawdown, you just sat there and you just like, fucking go up, bro. Fucking go up before I start fucking scratching and shit. Right. See that, boys? Cool, man. Man's got fucking skills and shit. Alright, we're finally pushing. The thing is, though, as well, like, we do have all of this shit here, right? We have all this shit to fucking cover through as well. Yeah, so currently, we've not yet even hit our 1 to 1. Yeah, straight reversal, bro. I should just definitely have got out of that early, but...
Order filled.
Right, I'm out of that a little bit early. Lost $300. I mean, with news at fucking 3 now, like, there was nothing wrong with that trade. I'm not annoyed that I took it at all. You know what I mean? If I'm being honest. Like, that was valid either way, whether you like it or not. We have all this shit to, like, especially when we've got all this, like, sell-off to fill. If we have to take shots, we will. Let's see what happens here. If we blow these accounts, these are just combines, I really don't give a fuck. Like, genuinely don't give a fuck. So I'm not liking how this is moving. If I'm honest with you, I think I'm going to avoid that short. Yeah. I'm going to avoid that. Yeah. Yeah, fuck that. Avoid that shit. I would just be taking the 1 trade today, not taking 2. I allow myself 2 entries, but I'll be only taking the 1. Today was a losing day, is what it is. I'll be honest with you though, I keep seeing this PMI now. I've lost quite a few times on PMI. This could just be all in my head, but it's just something I've noticed, right? Yeah, boys, check it. So check it. We took that L there, but if you look on a 15, like this is the thing that I'm starting to learn, right? Dealing with losses, but understanding like if I lost, I should have lost either way, right? Wicked out both sides. I didn't luckily take the short on the second trade, right? Because yeah, we broke here on this support. We also broke here, but I was waiting for the final support to be broke, right? So for something a bit more like that. And yeah, so all is well, all is good. If this comes up now, I don't care, I'm done. I'm cool with my one trade. This to me right now would not be an A+ setup, hence reasons for that. It's late into session, right? It's late into session. The only place I would even consider taking a buy, if it was a little bit earlier, would be there, right? Off of these two, boom, off of that structure here. But even then, it's late into session. And this entire breakout strategy is based solely off of volume, right? So that'd be the second entry, but I'm not going to take it. I'm walking away. I'm done with more. I'm done with today. Whether this goes up and flies past fucking entry and take profit, I don't care. Take them out 1L today, boom. And I'm just going to get into my goals for this month, right? Fresh month. Let's get this shit clean. Let's sort this shit out. And yeah, let's get into it. So, in fact, fuck it. I'm going to chat to ChatGPT real quick.
Great, and ready to chat. Let's dive into whatever you got on your mind.
Fucking cool, man. Right, yo, so I want you to summarize my December goals. So the plan is for this month, I have currently got 7 trading accounts, 7 prop firms. They're all 50k accounts. 5 of them are currently on the combine stage, on the evaluation stage, and I need to hit that $3,000 target profit. Now, for me to pass this, another 2 winning trades to pass the accounts at 1 to 3, right? At $1,500 a trade, I need 2 of them. Now, once they're passed, which hopefully I pass, and let's use that this week is going to be the week that I pass them. So let's say I pass these accounts this week, right? Now, next week on Monday, I'll then have from Monday, I believe, would that be the 7th? Monday the 7th to the end of this month. Yo, boys, just to fucking not bore you, basically I did a shit ton of maths on, like, giving myself the worst possible outcome I could possibly do. Meaning I lose, like, every single first trade for the next 15 days in a row and then win on the second. So yeah. Yo, bro, can you just put that in a fucking table so all the man them can understand what the fuck you just said in that big William Shakespeare essay?
You got it. Let's make it super clear and simple. Daily loss, first trade, 250 times 7 accounts is $1,750 per day. 15 days loss total, 1,750 times 15, total loss. Daily win recoup, second trade, net 250 per day after recovery, $1,750 per day gain. 15 days total gain, 15 days total gain. End result per account, about $3,750 profit per account, since you net out the losses and wins. Payout, you can withdraw half of that, so around $1,875 per account. Total across all accounts, with 7 accounts, that's about $13,125 total withdrawal. So yes, you can definitely hit that $10,000 payout target, no problem. There you go. Simple table, no Shakespeare. Just straight to the point.
What? Really? What? Bruv. Boys, yo, just deep cut for a second. Are you fucking mad? So you're telling me if I pass all these accounts this week, right? Meaning this week from fucking Monday, December the 1st, all the way. What? It can't be that easy, surely. 10k months ain't fucking nothing, girl. Watch me come splashy cash on some fucking batty like you've got, my majesty. Yo, babes, where'd you get that batty from? Because I ain't seen a batty like this before. Shit. Makes me want to splash some fucking cash on that batty, you know. So you're telling me, right? You're telling me that I have the worst case scenario, right? Of meaning I lose the first trade every single time for the next, right? So check. So it's telling me this, right? From Monday, the 1st of December, right? Sorry, no. So this week we passed the accounts, boom, right? So you're telling me from Monday, the 8th of December, right? All the way up until December the 31st, on my worst case scenario, meaning, if I lose the first trade every single fucking day in a row, but Then I take profit on the second trade, right? Now, obviously, I'm not going to win the second trade every single day. There's going to be days where I do have losing days on both ends, right? L and L. Like, today would have been one of them days, but I avoided it because I'm a fucking G. But, like, put it like this. I just have to win 5 out of 10 trades. That's the simple answer. If I win 50% of trades, meaning I win 15 out of the next 30, or 7 out of the next 15, once past all these accounts this week, I could easily and simply withdraw at a 50% win rate at a 1 to 2 RR, which is not really that high or hard or difficult to achieve. That's crazy. Fucking hell. That's really not that bad, if you ask me. So yeah, boys, that's the goal. That's the goal this week. So December, goal, pass all accounts by December the 5th, right? Boom. And then we allow 30 trades. %, win rate, 13.5k payout by December. I will literally be eligible for a 13.5k payout by December the 31st. Are you fucking mad? That would be fucking gangster. Do you know how G that would be? Bro, that would be mad. That would be mad. 13.5k payout by December the 31st of this year. I started trading. I took my first ever trade this year, 2025, January the 6th. Fucking mad. But yeah, that was a lot of spiel. Now, my goal this week is solely just to fucking pass these accounts. And that is it. And I'm passing it by not full porting it. I'm actually passing it by trading how I would actually trade. Yeah, crazy. Anyway, fucking come on.